don't think I mean anything to you.
Everyone's a killer. That's not sensible, and I can sense the bull. That's why these rappers couldn't see me coming if they were with spectacles. And I've got testify the truth. Half of these rappers are only gangsters in the booth. If they ain't never been to no pen, they just hold one. Me, I be no gangster, I'm just telling you the truth. But I run up in the game like That's why everybody keeps saying, have you heard Sway? He's 999. That guy should be in the game, and I swear to buy it's 350. But them guys could never feed my flow. Sway, all the way from the U to the K, roll the Bacardi up in the Tito. Getting over the CDs I've sold in it. I don't wanna do no less to go today. That's the goal in it. Haters, they ain't doing it on the mic, but holding it. They're slow with it, so they can never bring it to the king in the new school. I play too brutal, that's my out of control like a plus-side teacher's beautiful. People down in England ain't all wild, but some places in Britain ain't the place to raise your child. Cause even the royal family ain't all smiles, cause everybody knows Harry don't look like Charles. See me, I've never been to court and I've never been on trial, boys. Never been caught even though I've been around, boy. What's that thing in your hand? Put it down, boy. Cause you're not you're a sound boy. Boys, everyone's a bad man. Mic boys, everyone's a bad man. The summer goes rat-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta, and the summer goes rat-ta-ta-ta. Boys, everyone's a bad man. The mic boys, and everyone's a bad man. The summer goes rat-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta, and the summer goes rat-ta-ta-ta. Pound it strong longer than the dollar. Sway, I ran up in this game like a robber without. And now I've been around in the bro. Won a couple of awards now, round of applause. And now I'm making peas and I'm pleasing my people. Not even a Jamiroquai hat could fit my ego. Enough of these rappers ain't real, they're just rapping hype. Why you shouting all the time? Don't you have a mind? Run up in the club like we out. Bust two lyrics then we out. Them boys talk to we out. But them like me out. And they don't really want no wartime. This rap game is all mine. It will never be your time. Now it run cause you're small town. And I got more time. So settle down, boy. Before I make you look like something like a clown, boy. What's that thing in your hand? Put it down, boy. Cause you're not a, you're a sound boy.
Boys, boys, everyone's a bad man. Mic boys, everyone's a bad man. The summer goes and the summer goes boys, boys, everyone's a bad man. The mic boys, and everyone's a bad man. The summer goes and the summer goes
Flyer. If your repliers know you're lying now because we live in a lie, and then we're lying down. Look at my Adam's apple. It's not that my neck hurts. No, it's just the truth. It's hard to swallow when you can see that I'm an expert. So let me elaborate as I navigate like a husky. But trust me, the truth is I wouldn't even trust me. Many rely on religion, that doesn't make sense, cause that's considered a sin. There's really no winning cause everyone harbors a lying within them. It's just that we're different. Being a bad liar is like having a bad lawyer. As soon as they get caught, they get the sentence after. A good lie is benevolent, with a memory like an elephant, intelligent and knows exactly when to lies spread around like viruses. So how can I survive in this? Cause even the truth lies in people's irises. So how could I resist? I had to lie to write this verse. Got my talent for twisting words, hence my title, I'm a lyricist. Put it up for the people that wanna leave alone, cause they're gonna make money and they leave alone. I'm a businessman, I don't leave the phone, but you lie to the people and leave them on. You're not a bad boy, no, I got a bad boy flow. Cause when in Rome, you do what the Romans do, especially when all roads lead to Rome. You need to stop pretending. Your mixtapes are still in boxes.